says out here. They're already trying to get out. And they're itching to get out of there. There's this side, Chief. Well, it looks like they're really packed in there. We got honeybees.
Hold on a second. Bee food.
All right. All right, just like Brian said, put next to the hive. These are honeybees. They're gonna help us give us a decent garden this year. All right, you ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
Oop.
Is that all open?
Well, they can get out. I think I might have went a little too far. Yes. Hello, bees. Hello. Hello.
They're gonna be angry, honey.
Yes, I know they're gonna be angry. But
You're
trying not to do that. I'm trying opening the other side instead. That helps. All right.
They're coming out this side. See?
All right. See
There's,
that? Look.
there's 5 frames in there.
See now look, see this, Jameson? Even though they're angry and they're agitated, see they're not stinging me?
Yeah, because you're tough.
Well, no, it's not because I'm tough.
What is it?
It's because they don't want to sting you if they don't have to, because if they sting you, they die.
They already know that. Bees know that.
Yep. Hello, come on.
See if we can.
All right.
There we go.
There
There we
Take it
go.
off.
Now there's 5 frames in there.
Yep.
We're gonna take 5 frames out of the big box.
I already took the 5 frames out.
So in a couple of hours, let them settle down. We're gonna take the 5 frames out of the nook. That's called a nook. That's the way they were transported in, and then put those 5 frames in the big one.
Yep. See?
Why
And then,
they won't sting you. They are.
So, that being said, we'll see y'all in a couple hours.